guys, so today I wanted to show you these cute little gingerbread pieces. I am going to attempt to make a gingerbread garland this year. Excuse me. So basically the process was super easy, so I wanted to like go through it and everything so that you guys might want to do something like this too. So the first thing you need is you need some polymer clay. Amazon sells it. I'll link everything in the description. So I ended up getting a pound of this like beige polymer dough for $10. So it wasn't bad at all. And then all you need is some cookie cutters. You're gonna need some puffy paints. I have white, black, and red. And then if you feel like it, and want to do something with glitter, grab some glitter. This glitter is from Walmart. It was $1. So basically the process is really easy. All you do, warm up the dough in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. It'll come in a big brick, like a huge brick. So you want to break that brick in half, stick it in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then you want to roll it out just like you would do real cookies, okay? So once you get done doing that, rolling it out, you want to take your cookie cutters. I used, obviously, gingerbread, and I also did some of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, though, because they kind of turned out a little weird. Like, see the cracking and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. But that's all you do. Roll it out, and then you put it inside of the oven. Now, my oven only goes down to 300 degrees. If your oven goes lower than that, that's ideal. Mine only goes down to 300 degrees. So I ended up putting, excuse me, I'm still getting over being sick. It's been a while. I ended up doing 22 minutes at 300 degrees per pan. So I just did like a pan and a half, obviously. I did these yesterday. So you're going to want them to like cure overnight. It has not been 24 hours. I feel like it may be ideal to wait 24 hours, but you really don't have to. Once they're cooked, they're done for the most part. So yeah. So, after you get done making these, like I said, let them cure for a little bit. And then as you can see, when they are cured and ready to go, you can just, start painting them. So that's what I did here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let's see. There we go. So this is a situation right now. Oh, also, what I made a mistake on, and I'm going to help you guys out with this, is I forgot to poke the holes in here. So you want to make sure that you poke the holes in those before you put them in the oven. I was distracted. Kids were bugging me about stuff. So when I put them in the oven, I forgot to do that. Please make sure you do that, because that's another reason why some of these are like cracked looking and stuff. Because I had to attempt to do it after I had already cooked it. And these get really, really hard, like really quick. So you definitely want to make sure, you know, that you do that ahead of time. But yeah, so I thought that I would share this cute little DIY gingerbread video. I know gingerbread is really, really popular every year for Christmas. So I figured, yeah, you guys would probably enjoy seeing this. I mean, you can make these yourself. And another thing is, gingerbread decor is so expensive. Like, I hate to sit here and complain. I'm really not complaining. But for the amount of money you spend on the gingerbread garland, you could have just made it yourself for cheaper. I mean, these are literally, these puffy paints are $1. Like I said, the clay dough is 10 bucks. That's the most expensive thing. Cookie cutters, most of us already have those. If not, you can get those for what? $1? $2.50? So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment box below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.